Hey y'all, this is Destiny checking in from Destiny's Diamonds, of course, to do my review for my Royal Crown extension. So just in case you were wondering, I have a 12-inch closure, a 16-inch bundle, and an 18-inch bundle. And so it is, of course, shorter in the front because that is a 16. And I do have a closure that was hand plucked by Jamie. There's even some edges in there. But I wanted to kind of touch back with you guys to show you my nighttime routine, how I braid the hair up, and give you an opportunity to see how much it sheds in the process. Don't mind my ugly t-shirt, y'all. It's nighttime. And I just got my kids into bed. But before I do that, I'll turn around so you can see the variation. So that's the back. Jamie did put a little mousse on it for me the first day, and I haven't put any more on there. So when it has a little bit of mousse, mousse on it, it kind of holds the curl texture and it doesn't puff as much. So if you want it a little puffy, I advise don't use mousse. But if you want it to stay sleek and have that wet look, then I advise using mousse. I don't know what kind of mousse I'm going to get yet. That's for Jamie to figure out, not me. But I wanted to give you guys a short tutorial on how I braid up and keep up the curly kinky textures from Royal Crown Extensions. So first things first, you're gonna want to run a sink of cool water. Can't really turn my camera around to show you guys, but it doesn't need to be full because you don't need a lot of water. And then you're going to kind of just take your hand. You could use a spray bottle, but I just take my hand and wet it and then kind of run it over the hair. And then I literally just kind of separate the hair. I've not put a comb or a brush in this hair at all. I haven't needed to. I just kind of run my hands through it, get whatever I got going on my earring out, and then I just kind of braid it in chunks. So I'm going to just kind of braid it in chunks. And you can see how the texture softens when you wet it. And then I just kind of finger comb it. I don't even, and I have nails, so it's a little easier. But I don't even put like a wide tooth comb in here because it would make it more poofy, and I really want it to kind of be sleek. And I don't mind the poofing at the end of the day, but in the morning part of the day, I really want the hair to be sleek. So I just kind of braid it like so. And then that's kind of my nighttime routine. So I'm going to pause the video or record the video, but I'm going to speed it up so that you guys can see the finished product. I don't put any effort into braiding this hair, and I do want to show you guys how much shedding I have. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, y'all. So I'm back. I literally braided this. It's probably about as lazy as possible. There are about 5 plaits, and then the part on the top, I just take some water and rub that over my hands. So all you're gonna do, you got you some plaits. Get you a good old trusty bonnet and ball this stuff up in the back. And it is a little damp, but it don't matter because the hair don't smell. And you know, ta-da, I'm ready for bed. But before I go, I'm gonna flip my camera around and I'm gonna be back because I'm gonna show you the results from my finger comb out. Like I said, I don't use a comb. And before I go, these lashes are Royal Crown Extension lashes too, and I absolutely freaking love them. They so good, y'all. I had to cut these boys. I've never had lashes that are too long because my eyes are huge. So for me to get a lash that's too long that I needed to cut, I absolutely love it. This is Wear Day 2. And they're pretty good. I really like them. They look better today because I cut them this morning. So they look better. But I'll be back in 1 second to show you guys the difference, or the shedding, I should say. Okay, so that is a finger comb out from tonight. And it looks like more hair than it actually is because this hair is curly. But we literally have, let me see if I can pick this up. So we have, this is 2 strands. And it looks like it's more, but it's not. This is another 2. So that's another 2. And then 1 more. So we have about 2, 4, 6, maybe 6 or 7 strands of hair. And I have not combed it since this morning. So that's all that I have. And my morning starts at 5 o'clock in the morning. So understand that when I say I haven't combed it since this morning, it's been since 5 a.m. Okay, haven't brushed it, haven't combed it. Overall, the shedding is very minimal. And I'm very, very satisfied. Now, people are going to say, but it's shedding. Your natural hair sheds. Weave that's sewn on the track should shed. It should be very minimal shedding if it's done correctly. But it should shed. But 7 strands, and like I said, this is curly hair, so it looks like it's more than it is. 7 strands isn't bad at all. So very, very satisfied with the product thus far. That's Real Curly Extensions, and this is Destiny from Destiny Diamond. Signing out. See y'all in a few days.